The Charger EXT is a great accessory that can be added onto most Excalibur crossbows to reduce the cocking effort to as little as 12 pounds. It'll also allow you to decock the crossbow safely and easily without shooting an arrow. The rope, however, will not last forever on the Charger EXT and will need to be replaced at some point. The process can be done at your local dealer, or if you're handy, it can be done easily by the owner. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is remove the blue covers on both sides of the crank. Using a 3/32 Allen wrench, remove all 6 screws holding the covers on. With covers removed, you can see the 2 rope spools and how the rope is wound onto them. Pull the hooks forward slightly so there is enough rope to slip over the spool. Make sure the release switch is in the push to cock setting to lock the rope in place. Unravel the ropes off both spools. Note the orientation of the hooks facing upwards. Cut the knot off where it comes out of the spool on one side of the crank. Grab both hooks and pull the rope out of them. Now just grab the remaining knot and pull the rope all the way out of the spool. The crank is now stripped of all of its rope. Take one end of the new rope and tie a double overhand stopper knot. Thread the rope through the hole in the end of one spool and pull the rope all the way through until it stops. Then thread the rope through both hooks, confirming that they are both facing upwards. Thread the remaining end of the rope through the hole in the other spool. Tie the end of the rope with a double overhand stopper knot. And pull the rope tight. If the tail is too long, trim it and then burn both ends of the rope to secure the knot. With the crank facing you, wrap the rope around the spool. The rope should exit from the bottom of both spools. Try to keep the same amount of revolutions on the rope on each spool. Set the switch to release and pull the hooks out as far as they go and let the rope retract. Cycle the hooks in and out, confirming the operation of the crank and equal rope on both spools. If the hooks appear a little loose on the storage pins, just wrap the rope around either spool until the correct tension is achieved. The rope should be wound tight enough that the 2 hooks can easily clip onto the storage pins. Install the 2 blue spool covers with the 6 screws. And that's all there is to changing the rope on a Charger EXT.